Welcome back everybody. In this video, we're going to continue our selection lesson. So let's check this scenario. Let's check whether we can only use this if part of the program. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to comment that out. And let's run this with only if part of the if clause. Okay, so run it and it gave us the correct answer. So let's take it for the otherwise scenario, which is the student is now not passing. So 50, well, unfortunately, we didn't get the result. We get nothing. So the answer is obvious. So we set the grade to empty and we didn't check that. So we only, right here, we are only checking the truthful scenario of this Boolean expression. So we got the pass scenario correctly for 80, but for 50, it printed nothing. So how do we correct this? So we need to set the default scenario then before we enter the for loop. So, if statement. So say no pass here. So let's run this again. Now we get the correct result. So this way it's also doable. And we call this way of executing the if statement is unary execution. So let's now formulate the syntax for the unary selection. Okay, so it's simple actually. If we have a Boolean expression colon and we execute the statements. All right, so that is unary selection.